Triumph. What's up guys, I'm back with another vlog, and today I wanted to share you an update on the Triumph Street Triple R. Basically, I am getting a tail tidy installed on my bike. Now, you might be wondering what is so important about it. Now, there are a lot of people who have installed an tail tidy on their bike, but this time I'm going to install it by myself. Reason being, it was going to be costing me 1,800 bucks plus GST if I get it installed by the Triumph Pune. And so I thought, let's just give it a try installing by myself and see if it works out or not. And honestly, I guess it should work. So rather than wasting your precious time, let's just hop on and grab all the stuff and go and check out the bike. And one more thing, since I'll be working on my parking lot, there will be a lot of noises, so please excuse me for that. I apologize from the beginning.
One eternity later.
This being one of the sexiest part of any bike, doesn't matter if it is a small segment or a big segment. Now, everyone in the world, or let's say any biker, wants to get this thing off their bike because it doesn't serve the purpose. And obviously for my bike, the Street Triple R, this thing doesn't serve any purpose, so I'm going to replace it with my custom tail tidy that I have got it done from my friend. So in order to get rid of the tail tidy, I have to first get the rear seat off. There we go, simple as that. And the 4 bolts over here needs to be removed. Now the 4 bolts are here, first, second, third and the fourth. Now this one seems to be in a very tight position, however we'll try to get that thing removed. With that, I have to remove this cable as well. This is the connection cable for the indicator, the tail light, and as well as the number plate light. So that shouldn't be difficult. So now this is the old toolkit that I've been using, and I guess I got this when my ancestors were born. Just kidding guys, sorry about that, I didn't mean like that, but yeah. So we'll get this thing, the bolts removed, and we'll start with the procedure. So here first I'm removing the cable. So there's a notch over here, just have to press it and just remove it. So it's done. So I'm using a 8mm wrench to remove the bolts. So I'll start. Okay. So I'm going to first loosen all the 4 bolts and then slowly remove the tail tidy. And the last one. That's it. So as you can see, the bolts have been removed. As of right now, it's stuck on one bolt and you have the movement, so be careful while removing it. Now the tail tidy is off and I'm just pushing the cables. Okay, we are done, and there we go, as you can see. So this is how you save 1800 bucks.
Damn!
Make sure you don't lose this rubber cushion, because this is a noise damper between your bike chassis and the tail tidy.
Oh my god! Wow!
Now looking at this back, it is so sexy without a tail tidy. Oh, I just love the way it looks. Okay, let me capture it from a different angle. Yeah, there you go.
Nice.
So currently I'm using this extender because it is flexible, and I'm using this star shape H5 wrench to remove this Allen key bolt, which is for the indicator. The reason being I'm using this extender is because the indicator is coming in between, so I'm not able to use this one over here. So this makes it much more easier to remove. So this is almost done. Okay, there we go. We'll try with the other end, so make sure you keep this safe. Now the other side. Done. There you go. Place it again. So now I'm going to use H3 wrench to take this thing out. This one. So finally got this thing removed. Oh, bolt just fell down. Get that. And now the final piece, this one, with the same bolt. I have to just unscrew this, and we are done. So finally I got the wiring harness, the indicator, and the number plate light removed, and all are connected. So now it will be much more easier for me to bolt it in.
One eternity later.
Okay, so for now I'm using, this is the custom tail tidy. I got it designed from my friend Amit from Ground Design. However, this number plate light can't be mounted because there is no hole over here. So I will get it done later on. So again, this is not that necessary. However, yeah, I'll get this thing added over here. So I'll get this thing done later. However, I'm going to use the same stock rubber cushion and the plate. As you can see, the thing is that the bolts will go there and get attached to this nuts over here. The screw and the nut will get attached easily. So I'm going to use the same one because this is how it will be mounted. Let me show it to you. So this is how it's gonna be mounted. Yep. And like this. So this will get attached to the bike, and the number plate will be here. So right now I'm going to use, I've already connected the cables inside the wiring harness and got the indicator over here. So I'm going to use the stock bolts, but there is no thread available on this thing, so I'm using these things to get this tighten up, and then we are ready to get the tail tidy installed on the bike. So now I've got the cables connected. Okay, there you go. So I have to just make sure if the indicators are connected correctly for the left and for the right. Okay, powered on. Now just the indicator switch. Damn difficult. So for the left hand side, okay, that's perfect. I hope, yeah, there you go. And for the right, perfect. So finally the tail tidy is mounted and it is looking pretty sexy. Can't even tell you, I've been waiting for this day for a very long time and it is looking pretty awesome. And now regarding this, I did forget to mention, this is basically a new idea that I developed for packing my luggage. So this thing is required for mounting the belt over here, and I will require a spacer between this two so that this doesn't move like this. So still work in progress, but once I have that, it will be done. So it's mounted on the 3 slots, 1, 2, 3. Fourth one I have just kept it outside just to get the spacer design according to the bolt, and then it will be done. So for now everything seems to be smooth. It's just the cable that I need to get it aligned, and the light thing for the number plate. I have to get the number plate also installed, so I'll get it done with the help of my friend, and then we are good to go. So guys, if you like the video, please do share your feedback about this, because this is one of the most important thing for any rider. The first thing that they want to make changes is this, and I hope you liked it on my Street Triple R. And it's really good, strong material that it is made of, and it is less expensive also. Now if you buy from the Triumph the tail tidy, that'll cost you a fortune. So this seems to be the best thing. Now, I apologize for the sound as well, since I'm working in my parking lot right now, but yeah, I hope you liked it. So please do share, comment, and do subscribe. And if you have anything else to suggest, we'll love to work on it as well. Take care, love you guys, bye.